How to download and install IPVanish VPN. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download and install IPVanish VPN on your device. Now, head over to your Chrome browser or any browser that you want and search for IPVanish.com. Now, go to this website and here you can get this interface on your screen. Now, if you go over to apps, you can choose the device that you want to download your VPN for. Now, since I want to download it for my Windows, I'll simply click on Windows. Now, if you scroll down below, you can get all the details regarding the website and the app. Now, since we want to download this, simply head over to top and click on Download App. Now, you can choose your download location file and you can simply click on Start Download. Now you can see that it's downloaded. Now you can close the browser and click on Open. Now once I click Open, the installation process will start. What I need to do now is just click on Install and it'll start installing. You can see that the app is installed for my Windows and now I can run it. Once I click on Run, it'll start up the VPN. This way you can download and install IPVanish VPN on your device. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.